Hi ladies, and welcome back to my channel. So who of you has before torn your nail? Yep, just this week it happened to me, and it's especially worse if it tears into your flesh. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy trick to fix it. And stick to the end for a bonus tip. Grab a tea bag and cut off a square piece a little bit bigger than the nail tear. Apply some nail glue to your nail and stick the piece of tea bag to your nail. If maybe at that time you don't have some nail glue, super glue will also work. Apply another layer of glue over the tea bag and give it a few minutes to dry properly. After the application, buff the glue and the tea bag gently to even it out. You can now apply a thin layer of hardening nail polish like Sally Hansen's nail hardener. This will help to seal the glue and the tea bag. If you don't have a tea bag, you can also use a piece of toilet paper or get yourself these silk wrap adhesive tabs. I've linked to these products for you in the video description down below, together with some other products if you'd like to go and have a look. And now a bonus tip for the ladies that like to wear acrylic or gel nails. Every once in a while, when you take off your set of nails, and of course if it's possible for you to do so, let your nails breathe and rest a bit, preferably around 24 to 48 hours before you apply a new set of nails. If you have any other video requests or suggestions, or if you have any other comments, please put them in the section down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!